Here's how to set up voicemail on Samsung in less than 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show you in this full step-by-step guide. First, you open the phone app, go to the keypad and press and hold 1. This usually calls your voicemail service. If it's your first time, you'll be prompted to create a PIN and record a short greeting. Follow the instructions to set a secure PIN and record a clear greeting so callers know they've reached your voicemail. Another way to do this is by going to Settings, voicemail number, and enter your carrier's voicemail number. Make sure notifications are turned on so you get alerts when new messages arrive. For carriers that support visual voicemail, you can enable it in the phone app. Visual voicemail shows your messages as a list, lets you play them directly, and may even provide transcripts. If it's not available, your Samsung will still use traditional voicemail. Finally, test your setup by calling your number from another phone. Let it go to voicemail and leave a message. Check your Samsung to make sure you receive the notification and can play the message. With these steps, both traditional and visual voicemail if supported are ready, keeping you connected and ensuring you never miss an important message.